Okay, so just a quick test this morning of the uh, Sony W2BT wireless microphone that I'm sure you've all seen online. You know, it's been obviously a wireless solution to recording video. I need to give a shout out to Every Tech Matters, the YouTube channel Every Tech Matters, as he was trying to get this to work with the mobile phone. So whether you've got an Android or an Apple phone, I believe his test was on the Apple phone. So he got that working successfully with the iPad or the iPhone. Can't remember which one. But I was interested in trying to get this to work with the Android because I have a Samsung and wanted to know whether that same method would work. And it does work, I'm pleased to say. So I'm just going to show you how to quickly do it. The procedure's pretty much the same. You do need to get hold of this wire from RØDE. So it's called the TRRS to TRS cable. You could get these on Amazon. I got this for about £10. And all you do is you ensure that the grey section is slotted into the USB connector to your phone, and then this wire here will go into your receiver, like so. So I'm just going to plug this in so you can see. So make sure the black side is plugged in and the grey side goes into your connector for your mobile phone. So as you can see here, I'm just going to stick this into the slot on the phone at the bottom, and then I'll switch it on. So it's paired up. Once you get the blue light, it shows that it's paired up. So we should now be recording through the USB microphone. Hopefully you can hear me loud and clearly. So this is a great solution if it's working. I'm just going to move back so you can see, or I'm not sure if you can hear me. You might not be able to see me that much, but the range is excellent. I do have to mention that make sure you're switched on analog mode on the microphone, on the wireless mic, the W2BT. As digital mode doesn't work. It's going through analog mode. So yeah, this is really, really good. I'm really pleased if it works, because then this means that you don't necessarily have to buy a Rode or a DJI mic if you were thinking of it, or you could wait and see whether there's some better solutions later on, which is what I'm going to do. I'm going to stick with this one for now, if it works with a mobile phone, because I think this is great. The only downside is you can't really see the levels. So do make sure that you test it well, just to make sure that it does work at a decent level. I'm using mine as 10 dB at the moment, so I think that's a fairly good level to get it working. Another interesting thing I saw on another YouTube channel is Comica do this handheld microphone, which is really good because it does seem to work for lots of these wireless solutions. You know, the Rode have their own version, which I was interested in getting, but the Comica works for most other wireless mics, which is really good. So what I can do is I can just clip this to the back of the handheld mic here, and then what we can then do is just pop the Comica microphone on top of that, and there we go. We've kind of like got a reporting solution here, and Comica is only written on the front, unlike Rode, which is all over, so you can't really hide the branding. But now I can be a reporter and interview somebody, which is a great solution if you want to look a little bit more professional, if you've got a journalistic story to present. And I could just stand here and interview somebody, and I've got that wireless solution with the mobile phone. I can walk around and get decent sound quality, just like you would do on the Rode or the DJI mic. And DJI mics don't actually have this yet, this handheld solution. So well done to Comica for bringing this on board, because that was one of the reasons why I wasn't quite ready to purchase the DJI mic. But if this solution works for other mobile phones as well, then that's all good with me. So I'm going to stop the video now, and if this has been any use for you, feel free to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks very much, and I'll see you another time.